Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set inside margin of text box in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to set inside text box margin. Select the text box, then click the text frame option, and we can see here the insets. Now we select the left margin and change the margin. Now I select 4, then press enter on our keyboard, and we can see change the all margin. Select again and press 8, then press enter. Now we can see we applying the inside margin to this text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.